here. You guys need to back up further. Your daughter's across the street. Okay? Hey, your daughter's right here.
There,
Whoa! Hey! 3579. Go further. Back up further. Oh, you guys. Who lives in this house?
that's me.
You got cameras.
They don't see past the bush, so they...
You had people walking this way.
And we got cameras right there.
Close it. Past 15 minutes off. It's over here. We don't have them, but they do.
They got them, but you ain't gonna.
Pull them up for the last 15 minutes, please.
Why are they crying? No. It's either going to be a silver Impala or that blue Geo tractor or whatever was in the driveway today.
Hey! Hey!
And then I could see the light, and I was like, oh my god.
Trash.
What is that?
Electric. That's a transformer. Hey, you got another cigarette on you, Anthony?
I don't think I do. I can go grab you with it.
They're not in there. Oh, well, he just walked in there. So we won't have power tonight, I'm sure. Thank you. You got a light? You got a light right there?
Alright, I'll call you back, alright?
Who lives in this house next door?
Alright, bye.
Over here?
It's gonna be coming behind you. So they're thinking this is arson?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the first thing good is just like, I need to see the last 15 minutes of your video footage.
What color car was it?
I don't even know, I can't see it to the face. Somebody said that it was a fire? Yeah.
Hey, I got you. Clear. Oh, thank you, buddy. Not your first fire. Just told my wife today, I drove by, maybe that was yesterday, I drove by and it was like 4 crackheads in a silver Impala, all looking like...
The dude that drives the black SUV, little black Saturn thing.
Oh, really? Okay, well that was a different car then. And then today when I drove by...
He wasn't there, he said he stole it.
Mm,
The owner, homeowner stole it and took off with his car. I think he set his house on fire.
no shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had some shady ass people in there, and when I told my wife, she's like, I ain't never seen nobody there but his mom. I'm pretty positive he grows upstairs too. So he was
I
probably...
don't know, this started in the living room.
Well, I just meant...
We were standing out here, all of a sudden there was this glow and the dog started barking.
Oh, you never even heard or seen it, so it was already going?
What? It was just started in the living room. It hadn't even started coming out the windows yet or not.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I caught the drug dealer in the driveway. I said, why don't you save the dog? Because it's on fire. That crackhead stole my vehicle, he said. And then he disappeared.
Right there, that's what you want to talk to, okay?
So, salty stuff.
Did they see something?
Nico, the guy, Nico just walked his friend home, and Nico, yeah, he was like, there was a dude standing in front of his porch, and he's somebody there.
Which way did they go? Do you know? Did they come past our house?
The drug dealer went this way down the side. You seen the house on fire? About water. I'm like, dude, is he in the house? He stole my car. No, he did. He didn't steal your car.
I bet he did.
No, him and his dog are in the house. I guarantee it. I guarantee it.
Oh, you're saying like they're probably dead in the house?
No. He took off running.
I know. I seen the guy. I seen him yesterday. There was a silver Impala, and there was a guy on his porch that looked like Thug Life.
Yeah.
And I literally told her.
I believe it's the drug dealer.
Okay. The homeowner?
Just not homeowner.
Or the man that lives there? His mother. Is that true?
Correct.
Okay. What's the man's name?
Taylor. Tyler. What's Tyler's name?
His name's Taylor, not Tyler.
Taylor.
It's Taylor, not Tyler.
Taylor.
Yeah. Okay, so he's got.
But the black dude that was there.
But when we were out in the yard and heard the dog barking, noticed the glow in the windows. When I went around in the driveway, there was a black guy standing there winding up some white like speakers or something in other
You have a
porch.
cigarette?
Okay.
And
I
he
just
said
filmed that off of somebody else.
Vehicle, he took off.
Would you like to fill out a witness statement? Yeah. Are you comfortable with that?
Oh, you can't go in your house and get one.
That's not smart. You comfortable with that?
Can I do it later? I'm like really
Okay, that's fine.
way shook up right now.
This isn't gonna be, I'm just helping out Baltimore City, but when, are you guys next door?
Yeah, it's right next door.
Yeah, they bad, they cut that. So this is gonna be through Baltimore City. If you feel comfortable, it would be appreciated if you guys could go down to the department whenever you feel comfortable, like within the next day or two. And Officer Butcher is gonna be the main officer in charge, but you can talk to anybody down there and let them know that you're the next party.
Have they found the homeowner outside the house? No. You didn't want to answer that. I'll take one.
Victoria.
The lady down there has a Ring doorbell.
What?
The lady down there, where's that officer at? She just put a Ring doorbell right on her house, and that's across the street from us.
Dennis or this
No,
old
the
lady?
squirrel lady.
Oh, I'm sure they're out. They probably want every view.
How do we still have power on? No, her. That house just put a Ring doorbell up. They'll have them going down. Okay.
I thought that was Tyler first.
Taylor.
They just ended as soon as this went out.
That's what it is.
That's what they were all wearing over there. The whole car of them. I literally told her that I knew it. I could just tell by the way he was backed in his driveway and he had his shades on and he was all mean mugging out. And they were 4 deep in the car and one person was coming off the porch and you could see him mean mugging coming back down off the steps. And I knew it. I told her as soon as I got to her house. I was like, man. And she's like, there ain't never anybody there but the mom. That's condensation. I don't know. I seen the spray, but it looked like it was going in the building a little bit. Janice tried to call me. I had to turn her off.
This is my
No, I like it.